Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to move rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, now if you want to go ahead and move a row, we want to go ahead and click on that row number. Say for example, I want to go ahead and move row 5. So I want to go ahead and click onto it, and you're going to see a hand icon appear next to it. Click and drag the row to its new position. So I'll go ahead and drag that to wherever. So if I want to put it at the bottom, I can go ahead and do so. Now it's going to be the same to move a column. So go ahead and select a column. So if I want to go ahead and select C, hover over it with that hand, and then go ahead and drag that and put that anywhere inside of here. So if I want it between A and B, I can go ahead and drop it there. Now, if you want to go ahead and move multiple rows and columns, just go ahead and select multiple adjacent rows or columns, click and drag the selection to the new location. So for example, these two, I want to go ahead and click on Control C. So if I want to go ahead and move those two, I want to go ahead and then drag that around like so. So I'll do that again. I'm moving 5, 6, and 7. You can see I'm moving that. So if I want to put them down here, I can. We can do the same for your columns as well. Now, if dragging isn't working for you, that's okay. We can go ahead and select the rows or columns. So say, for example, I want to go ahead and move column B. Go ahead, if you're on Windows, click on Control X to cut it, and then go ahead and paste it in its new location.